Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you my older Crompton Greaves 36-inch ceiling fan. Alright, this fan has nice speed. It has only one speed's one. This is the wall control. The switch allows you to control the fan, this one right here. And normally the speed one doesn't work at all, but we'll try it out anyway. See, with speed one, it doesn't work. Alright, this fan has, these blades are made out of metallic. They're like the other fans do. This fan, I love the fan. I really liked it. But this is really a big problem with speed one. Watch what happens when I put on speed one. Here we go. See, fan doesn't run. When I put on speed 2, it works. It's normally the coil, believe me. As you can hear, this fan has a pretty weird noise to it, which I currently like. It even sounds like an airplane engine, but still runs pretty well. Now, speed 3. It's kind of the same speed, but it's starting to go a little bit faster. And the last speed of all, full speed. You can hear it. It has an airplane engine noise to it. Blows a good amount of air. Tube light. Now we will turn off the fan. So anyway, hope you enjoyed this video of my older Crompton Greaves 36-inch ceiling fan. Also, please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.